In this video, I want to show you how to rotate pictures on iPhone. To rotate pictures on iPhone, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, I want you to go to your iPhone photos gallery. So let's go to my gallery on my iPhone. So once you open up the gallery, I want you to select the picture you want to edit. So let's tap on the picture you want to rotate. Let's select this. So let's say we want to rotate this picture. So what you want to do next, if you check the down part here, you are going to see three parallel lines over there. I want you to tap on that three parallel lines. So let's do that. So once you tap on that three parallel lines, if you check the down part here, you are going to see the crop icon. So I want you to tap on the crop icon. So once you tap on the crop icon, I want you to check the top. If you check the top here, you're going to see a square icon. So you just have to be tapping on that square icon to keep rotating it to whatever you want. So let's do that now. If I tap on it, you can see it will keep rotating. As I'm tapping on it, it keeps on rotating. So guys, this is how you can actually rotate on iPhone. Then the next thing you can do, if you check the down part here, if you see this line, if you tap on, if you swipe this line also, it's going to change the way it rotates for you. So guys, this is how you can actually rotate any picture on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.